जय माँ भारती समाचार के ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMS Samachar channel from the international world. St. Kitts and Nevis is a dual island nation situated between the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. It's known for cloud-shrouded mountains and beaches. Many of its former sugar plantation and now in all atmospheric regions. The larger of the islands, St. Kitts is dominated by the dominant Mount Liamuga volcano, home to Crater Lake, green velvet monkeys, and rainforests crisscrossed with hiking trails. Country Uttar Pradesh government will give unlock 4 guidelines education. Rajasthan BSTC pre-DLD examination is today. Sacramento online entry pass of Deepghat temple environments. The Sarda River, also called Kali River and Mahakali River, originates at Kalapani in the Himalayas at an elevation of 3,600 meters in the Pithoragarh district in Uttarakhand, India. It flows along Nepal's western border with India and has a basin of area of 14,871 kilometers square. It joins Ghagra River, a tributary of the Ganges. It takes the name Kali River from the union of the two streams in Gunsi as it flows through the hills after Brahmadev Mandi near Tanakpur. It enters the Terai plains where it is called Sarda River. Inversion bifocals are glasses with two distinct optical powers. Bifocals are commonly prescribed to people with presbyopia who also require a correction for myopia, hyperopia, and or astigmatism. Great Persian Chakravarti Raja Gopal Chari was born on 10 December 1878. He informally called Rajaji or CR, was an Indian politician, independence activist, lawyer, writer, historian and statesman. Rajagopalachari was the last Governor General of India as soon became a republic in 1940. Furthermore, he was the first Indian born Governor General since before him the posts were held by British nationals. He also served as the leader of the Indian National Congress, Premier of the Madras Presidency, Governor of West Bengal, Minister for Home Affairs of the Indian Union, and Chief Minister of Madras State. Festivals of Assam. Assam is a land of fairs and festivals. Most of the festivals celebrated in Assam characterize the spirit of accommodation and togetherness in the diverse faith belief of her habitat. The major festivals celebrated in Assam are Bihu, Baisakhu, Ali Ali Lisan, Bakhu, Rongar, Rasni, Gabra, Harne, Gabra, Bohagyo, Bishu. Bihu is the most important festival of the Assam. It is celebrated with joy and abundance by all Assamese people, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, faith, and belief. 3 Bihus are celebrated in a year. Buhar Bihu, which augurs the wish for a good harvest because this is the time when farmers start growing. Katu Bihu, which is observed to make the cutting and binding of grains, and Magh Bihu, which marks the reason of the and season of harvesting of grains. Crops. Colocasia is a genus of flowering plants in the family Araceae, native to southeastern Asia and the subcontinent. Some species are widely cultivated and naturalized in other tropical and subtropical regions. The name elephant ear and cocoyam are also used for some other large-leaved genera in the Araceae, notably Xanthoshma and Caladium. Flower. Syringia lilac is a genus of 12 currently recognized species of flowering woody plants in the olive family, native to woodland and shrub from southeastern Europe to eastern Asia and widely and commonly cultivated in temperate areas. Each year. Yoga, Utthita Padmasana, Sulasana, balance pose is a hand balancing asana in modern yoga as exercise the health benefits of Utthita Padmasana. The asana strengthens the back and shoulders and hips. Universe Mount Hope is a mountain rising to 3,239 meters, forming the central and highest peak of the Intermediate Range in northern Palmer Land, Antarctic Peninsula, Antarctica, a part of an area claimed by Argentina, Chile, and the United Kingdom over twice the size of Venus. Is the highest mountain on the island of Great Britain, following a 2017 survey by the British Antarctic Survey team. Mount Hope was found to be higher than previously thought. Mathematics. In mathematics, a linear equation is an equation that may be put in the form where are the variables and are the coefficients, which are often real numbers. The coefficients may be considered as parameters of the equation and may be abstract expression, and provided them do not contain any of the variables. Ayurveda. Curd. Curd is an Indian English is a traditional yogurt or fermented milk product originating from the Indian subcontinent, usually prepared from cow's milk and sometimes buffalo's milk or goat milk. It is popular throughout the Indian subcontinent. The word curd is used to English to refer to naturally homemade yogurt, while the term yogurt refers to pasteurized commercially variety known as heat-treated fermented milk. Village town. Pushkar is a town bordering the Thar Desert in the northeastern Indian state of Rajasthan. It is said of Pushkar Lake, a sacred Hindu site with 52 ghats where pilgrims bathe. The town was hundreds of temples, including 14th century Jagatpith Brahma Mandir dedicated to the god of creation, which has a distinctive red spire and walls inlaid with pilgrimage silver coins. Today, civil Independence Day celebrates the Independence Day of Malaya from the United Kingdom in 1957. National Language Day in Moldova. National Tax Mix Day in United States. 1962, Trinidad and Tobago becomes independent. 1957, the Federation of Malaya gains its independence from the United States. Today's temperature in Patna 28 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 27 degrees Celsius. Weather news. From the capital, monsoon is passing. The Kamkya temple, also known as Kamrup Kamkya temple, is a Shakta temple dedicated to the mother goddess Kamkya. It is one of the oldest of the Shakti Pithas, situated on the Nilachal hill and the western part of Guwahati city in Assam, India. It is the main temple in a complex of individual temples dedicated to the 10 Mahavidyas of Shaktism: Kali, Tara, Sadoshi, Bhumeshwari, Bhairavi, Chinnamasta, Dhumavati, Bagalmukhi, Matangi and Kamal Matakya. Among these, Tirupush, Sundari, Matangi and Kamla reside the main temple, whereas the other 7 reside in individual temples. It is an important pilgrimage destination for Hindus and especially for tantric for worshippers. Today's for that's all. I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय. नगरम पटना 28 डिग्री सेल्सियस, दिल्ली 29 डिग्री सेल्सियस. विविध कामख्या मंदिर असम की राजधानी दिसपुर के पास गुवाहाटी से 8 किलोमीटर दूर कामख्या में है. कामख्या से भी 10 किलोमीटर दूर नीलाचल पर्वत पर स्थित है. यह मंदिर शक्ति की देवी सती का मंदिर है. यह मंदिर एक पहाड़ी पर बना है. वह इसका महत्व तांत्रिक महत्व है. प्राचीन काल से सतयुगीन तीर्थ कामख्या वर्तमान में तंत्र सिद्धि का एक सर्वोच्च स्थल है. पूर्वोत्तर के मुख्य द्वार कहे जाने वाले असम की राजधानी दिसपुर से 6 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर स्थित नीलाचल अथवा नीलशैल पर्वतमालाओं पर स्थित मां भागवती कामख्या का सिद्ध शक्तिपीठ सती का 51 शक्तिपीठों में सर्वोच्च स्थान रखता है. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. अनुष्का को कल तक के लिए विदा दी. स्वस्थ रहिए, प्रसन्न रहिए. मां भारती की जय.
ओम द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ओम शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।